Hey guys, I'm Jeremy and welcome back to the Glow Garage. In today's video, we'll be showing you the steps needed for the care and maintenance of your motorcycle or your scooter's exhaust. Hey guys, we'll be showing you how to properly use the GLOSIL exhaust coating for the motorcycle and scooters. Let me show you how it's done. So here we are with an example of an exhaust that is taken from a scooter, and if you notice, it's pretty much reduced to bare metal. Now most motorcycles, the exhausts are pretty low to the ground unless it's an upsweep or if you have an alternate style of an exhaust system. This makes it even more easier for corrosion and rust to set in. So most of the times corrosion sets in causing rust, and rust is something you really don't want on your exhaust manifold because it can lead to exhaust breaking off because of the corrosion that sets in. Now unless you have a motorcycle that is corrosion free, you're not going to have the performance that you look for. So if you notice, it's come down to bare metal, and this in the long run is going to corrode, rust is going to set in, and there's going to adversely affect the motorcycle's exhaust performance. So let me show you how we coat it using the GLOSIL motorcycle and scooter coating. So here's an example of what debris and corrosion can do to an exhaust, and if you notice, the underside of this exhaust is pretty scratched up, maybe because of gravel, and if you further look closely, you can find the bare metal which is being exposed, which is a cause of corrosion. The surface coat has been removed over time, and this can probably result in rust, which you don't want. And we have seen cases where exhausts have either broken away because of the corrosion setting in and the rust eating into the metal, which can cause a lot of problems in the long run. And because of the exhaust being low to the ground, we sometimes tend to forget these little nitty-gritties which are so important to keep your motorcycle in a good condition, running well. And this is something which is a problem in the long run because of the corrosion that sets in and it eats into the bare metal. As always at the Glow Garage, safety is paramount. There are a few things that makes it even more easier while working with aerosol cans. Safety goggles so that you don't get the spray in your eyes. If you're not able to find a professional mask like this, even a surgical mask comes in handy. Rubber gloves so you don't get any of the spray on your hands, or if you have any cuts or abrasions on your hands, it's going to make it easier. Not forgetting the silencer coating. Keep about 15 to 30 centimeters while you start actually coating so that you have a wide area and the nozzle has a wider surface to cover. The great part is that it's environmentally friendly. There is no ozone depleting material whatsoever, and there you go. So there you go, and I'm sure you can make out the difference from the exhaust from the prior and the exhaust now. A little care is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of money. So there you go, you have your exhaust looking brand new, it's coated, and it's going to be corrosion free. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button below and do subscribe and follow us on our social media platforms.